Understanding, plan a retreat, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, today we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, plan a retreat. This expression is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can significantly enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in and discover what it's all about. Plan a retreat essentially means organizing or arranging a withdrawal from a particular place or situation, often for a specific purpose. This phrase is commonly used in two main contexts. 1. Business or work environment. Here, planning a retreat usually involves organizing a getaway for employees or team members. The goal is often to foster team building, relaxation, or strategic planning away from the usual work environment. 2. Personal or spiritual context. In this scenario, planning a retreat means arranging a time away from daily life for personal reflection, meditation, or spiritual growth. It often involves going to a quiet or secluded place. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. In a business setting, our company is planning a retreat next month to discuss the upcoming projects and team strategies. 2. For personal growth, I plan to retreat to the countryside this weekend for some much-needed solitude and self-reflection. Planning a retreat can be beneficial for several reasons. In business, it helps in team bonding, reducing work-related stress, and encouraging creative thinking. On a personal level, it provides an opportunity for inner peace, self-discovery, and mental relaxation. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of plan a retreat. Whether you're looking to organize a corporate event or seeking personal solace, understanding this phrase can be quite useful. Remember, language is a key to cultural and personal growth. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.